Hello, what's up, beautiful people? Good evening to you guys, and welcome to How To on His Trends. And yes, this is the first time, or this is the first episode of How To. And today we are talking about how to turn your Facebook into the dark mode. Okay, turning your Facebook to dark mode or activating your dark mode. Let's first talk about dark mode. Dark mode is you inverting the colors of your display to 1, reduce power consumption, and 2, improve your health benefits, okay, so that you don't affect your eye with too much light coming from your display. That's why we use dark mode. Okay, so this is the normal Facebook. You can see, yes, the normal Facebook look, very white, and then this light black and other colors moving about in it. Yes, so this is the normal display of Facebook. Okay, yeah, so this time we're going to turn your Facebook into dark mode. But first of all, let's check up for your updates. Okay, you need to check if your Facebook has an update, because without the update or the updated version you can't do it. Okay, so let's go to Play Store and check the update. If our phone or our Facebook has any update, then we update it first. So you open your Play Store, okay, then just swipe from your left to your right. Okay, as in it, so you can see then my apps and games. Select my apps and games, then it will show you updates of apps you have on your phone, or if they are already updated, it will also show you if it is already updated. Okay, so let's wait for the apps to load. It's checking for update. You can see on your screen now. So here is it. If your Facebook is to be updated, you will find it among the updates pending app here. Okay, you'll find it among the updates pending app here. But if it's already updated, you'll find it like this, open. Okay, you'll find it open. So if yours is already updated, that's good. If yours is not updated, please update your Facebook first before we get to do what you are coming to do now. So now let's get back to Facebook. Okay, yes, so we are back to Facebook now. So let's get the process going. You see these 3 dashes you can see at the top here. That's, I'll call it menu, or let's say options. Let's menu. So just click the 3 dashes you see at the top here. It will open up some list or pop up some list for you. You can see your Facebook profile first, then maybe groups you have on your own, then other let me say other settings and tabs and pages and other stuff. So just keep scrolling down, scroll down till you find dark mode. Yes, this is the dark mode you can see here. You scroll down till you find dark mode, then just activate it. Okay, you check it, then it converts your display to dark mode, reducing the quantity or the amount of white display from your screen. So now you can see every white now turn to black, and then the black turn to white. Okay, and other colors also in any way they have to be. Okay, so this is how to turn your dark mode on Facebook. If you haven't updated your Facebook yet, update it first. Get to Facebook again, click on the 3 dashes here, scroll down till you find dark mode. Okay, then when you find the dark mode, and activate it. Okay, yes, so that's how to turn your Facebook dark mode on. All right, so if you have any other settings you would like to know to do, or anything you want to know how to do, whether being on your phone, laptop, whatever, let us know in the comment section below. Okay, and we are going to do our best and bring you the solution. Okay, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, or you are new to the channel, and then click the bell to turn on notifications for updates. My name is Manuel, and here is how to.